I fear that as the keyboard maker, our couple is especially the free talking, right?
Okay.
Not like me. 哇
Oh, okay.
Because I always ask the AI help me. Only not like me. I'm lazy.
We can discuss each other. We have a group discussion. So
Okay.
that as HEC special character is different between the others couple. So I think that take a video and that share the audience, encourage that will join our couple.
Oh, so it's
Yeah,
good.
so it's a good
So,
idea.
so how can you find our gallery from Nate?
Peggy.
Oh yeah. This time you talking about
Peggy
it.
invite me.
Yeah. So should we talking about free book? I have reading problem.
Problem? Yes. Me too.
Yeah.
But you need that James change.
I need to wear glasses. When I go out, I seldom wear because I don't want to look.
We need. We still need.
I know.
We know.
Yeah. So
great.
I bought a fancy one. Look younger. Yeah. Okay, we talk about the YouTuber or YouTube. Any kind of fancy one like to share.
And Phoebe,
Oh,
you
wait.
will to do a YouTuber?
No, I am not interested in this, but I love to watch some program or some channel of the YouTube, like educational, or I think the most part I love is educational program. Yeah, like a 泛科学. I highly recommend you.
I feel you like to travel around not only Taiwan, go abroad. So I think maybe you can share the scenarios abroad and then to your audience. That's a good to a YouTuber.
Oh, I don't want to put my effort to audit to being a YouTuber. Yeah.
Yeah, you got that.
And I love to keep my privacy. Actually, the Facebook, I didn't use Facebook. I just only 4 people in my friends on Facebook. So I still don't use Facebook. I just watching some.
Because Facebook, I fear some problem because I don't know them, but more information. Notice you have to
Yeah, it's
have
called
to make a friend. Okay, make a friend. Okay,
Oh, you can set it.
but it's different. But YouTube is different.
Oh, yes.
They cannot do that. That's different way.
So,
Maybe
which
I didn't use the Facebook. Me either.
oh,
Me either.
why?
Actually, I would like to keep my privacy.
Mhm.
Yeah. And about 8 years ago, my eyes have some syndrome, some problem. And this is very special syndrome for me, first time. I don't know how to say that syndrome. Yeah, but I know when I see any image, it's double.
Oh,
It's terrible. I almost like blind. Yeah, I can see because when I was sick, I stay in my home. I look at the ceiling. The light maybe too light, and I see you, 2 person. When I drive the car, wow, the traffic light it is upper and the 2 lights. It's very terrible. So at that time, 8 years ago, I stopped to view the smartphone too much. Yeah.
Yes,
For
yes.
this moment,
The keyboard.
yeah, for that moment, actually, I use the YouTube very often. I study how to dance. You know, the dance video. I need to watch the video once more.
Yes, I know.
Because I would like to be a volunteer to share my dancing with my classmates.
We know.
So I need to practice. Practice is very hard,
Yes.
and it hurt my eyes. So at that time, I stopped my habit. Always watch the smartphone video.
Yeah.
You got a two vision because of
It's terrible. Yeah.
you use the smartphone
Too much.
too much. Oh,
Yeah.
so when you quit, your eyesight getting better.
Actually, I really enjoy reading many articles from the internet site. Yeah. But I think why I have encountered such kind of terrible syndrome, eye syndrome. Maybe I watch the dancing video too much.
Yeah.
You watch the
Terrible.
video. Maybe you can read some article. Might be better.
Yeah.
Or buy the iPad because the screen is bigger.
Yeah.
How about now? Totally
After my retirement, I stopped to use notebook. Just use the smartphone. The screen is too small.
Yes.
Yeah, too small. Yeah. So I'm not a YouTuber follow. I'm not a follow. But sometimes I would like to watch the video at YouTube. How about the content about the cooking? Cooking. I like to watch some cooking video, YouTuber. And one kind of the video is about the 名人书房. At this video, always they introduce many very good books.